In college algebra today, we looked at yet another way to solve a system of equations. On number one, let's just practice finding the determinant. We looked at it in 6.4 notes, and we're going to practice it again because we're going to use it quite a bit in this thing called Cramer's rule in a minute. So to find the determinant, you multiply the diagonals and subtract. So we're going to go 5 times 3 minus 6 times 7. So we end up with negative 27. Let's try matrix B. We multiply the diagonals and subtract the second diagonal. This one we end up with 2. All right, so we're going to apply that when we use Cramer's rule. I tried to type out the instructions right here, but I think an example does it better justice. This right here, now at the top of the screen, is the formula that we're going to use. If you need a description, it is right here. But we're about to do it, so here we go. First off, you put the system into 2 matrices. So first matrix, I write just the coefficients. And the constants on the other side go in their own little matrix. So to find the determinant, we find the determinant of that first matrix, and we go 5 times negative 5 minus negative 4 times 6. So we get negative 25 plus 24. Determinant is negative 1. That part's old. We've done that before. The new thing is we need to write the determinant of the x. So if you think of this first column as the x stuff and the second column as the y, we need to rewrite that first matrix using the second matrix. So what you do is you replace the x column with the constants. So I take the 5 and the 6 out, and I put the 2 and the 1 in its place, and I keep negative 4 and negative 5 where they are. And then I find the determinant of that matrix. So we're going to go 2 times negative 5 minus negative 4 times 1. And we get negative 6. The math is easy, but being aware of how to swap out that matrix with the constants is new. But once you see it, it's pretty easy. You can probably guess how to do the determinant of y. You put the 5 and the 6 back in, take the negative 4 and negative 5 out, put the 2 and the 1 in their place, and find that determinant. So we go 5 times 1 minus 2 times 6. And that is negative 7. All right, last step, plug into those formulas at the top of the screen, if you can call them formulas. For x, we're going to go negative 6 divided by negative 1, and we get 6. For y, we're going to go negative 7 divided by negative 1, and we get 7. So this is just another way to solve a system of equations. While our previous methods work just fine, I would say this is the fastest one, because you get pretty fast at this. I had to explain a lot. And if you have a system with numerous variables, like say 10 variables, this would be pretty easy compared to using substitution or row echelon. All right, let's do one more for practice, and that'll be it. So you start out, write your two matrices, maybe hit pause, try and do it all without me. Whoops. All right, let's find the determinant. Then let's find the determinant of x. Let's see, we get some big numbers on this one. Negative 72 minus 96, so negative 168. Let's do dy. Running out of room here. And we get 84. All right, very last step. We get 4 for x. And you can already see what y is going to be. And that's it. All right, I'll see y'all later.